Let's make this super delicious turkey stew together. We are going to make this in a simple way that will give us an amazing result. This is so super delicious, and I thought I should share it with you all. Remember to share this video so that you will have the recipe whenever you are ready. In a pot, I'm going to pour my already well-washed turkey wings into it. I'll add salt into it. What I have here is the seasoning, so I'm going to add it also into it. I'll add curry into it, ginger powder, seasoning mixture, I'll add thyme into this. After that, I'm going to add basil. You can use fresh one or dried one. I added bay leaf into it. You can see I'm just going to give them a gentle mix together, and I'm going to add some water, not that much, just a bit of water into it for those ingredients to mix together. I added diced onion into it, just 3 cloves of garlic into it. Now I covered and bring it to a boil. So lovely. After boiling for about 8 to 10 minutes, I opened it. I mixed them well. The ones at the bottom of the pot, I brought them at the top. Okay, so I covered it and boiled till done. Lovelies, this is how I love my turkey. I boiled it for about 15 to 20 minutes. I love this way. So I took it out of the meat stock and keep it for later use. So into this kitchen processor, I'm going to pour onions, garlic, habanero pepper, and bell pepper. I added tomatoes into it and blended all together, roughly blended. Okay, so in another pot, I poured vegetable oil. I heat it up. I added onions, and I'm going to fry the boiled turkey. All right, so I make sure I fried each side until it's golden brown like this. Let me quickly use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you my returning subscribers, newcomers. You're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I fried till all is golden brown. So I'm going to use the same oil. I'm just going to get my sieve it and make it to be plain oil again. Okay, that's what I'm using. So into the oil, I'm going to add the roughly blended pepper mix. You can see the oil just like a fresh one. Sieve your oil, you can reuse it. Okay, so I'm going to start to fry this. You can leave it open like this. Very important, stir it occasionally so that it will not get burned. So I'm going to go ahead and add seasoning into the pepper mix. I added part of the meat stock from the turkey. Okay, I added salt. Don't let the salt be too much. You can always adjust it. We have some salt already in the meat stock, so I give them a good mix together, and I'm going to fry until the pepper becomes fried pepper. But stirring occasionally is very important. I will share the video. Remember to save it because you're gonna need it later. So when it is well fried, I added the fried turkey into it. I introduced them together. I made sure I covered it with those pepper, and they have to also drink from this pepper. I'm going to leave them all together like this under low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, partly covered or open like that, until it gets consistency that you love. Thanks for watching.